Good morning everyone, my name is Chan Wing Hei. Today I would like to introduce our galaxy, the Milky Way. Well, you may ask the question that, what is galaxy? Okay, let me explain it. This is me, and I'm in Hong Kong. Hong Kong is on the Earth, and the Earth is in the solar system. Then the solar system is just a part of our galaxy, which is the Milky Way. Now, do you know how big our galaxy is? Among many years, scientists discovered that there are mainly three types of galaxy in our universe. They are spiral galaxy, elliptical galaxy, and irregular galaxy. Our galaxy belongs to spiral galaxy. And there's two types of spiral galaxy, which is barred spiral and lenticular spiral. And ours is bar spiral. It means that Milky Way have a spar of stars cutting through the center, and spiral arms attached to the end of bars. Now this is the actual view of Milky Way. This is hollow from the farthest of the center, and there is a disk containing four main spiral arms, and the center of Milky Way, the bulge. Let's talk about the structure of our Milky Way from outside in. We can see that there is stars in hollow. Most of the stars in hollow are old. They are mostly low-mass red stars, and the fraction of heavy elements in these stars are much less than the Sun. From the study, we can know that the stars in hollow are formed early in Milky Way history. It is because stars formed in hollow containing few healthy elements. Also, star formation have stopped long ago when all gases fraction in the disk, so there is no interstellar medium in the hollow. Here is the next part of the Milky Way, the disk. We believe that the stars in this are relatively young because plenty of high or low mass stars contain blue or red color, and the fraction of healthy elements in these stars are the same as or greater than the Sun. The disk does not appear solid, but it contains four spiral arms, which is normal arm, Scutum's cross arm, Sagittarius arm, and Pisces arm. The arms are not fixed string of star, but anomalous stars formation wave propagating through gaseous disk. In this area, stars and clouds are more densely packed, and massive stars formed as gas clouds pass through spiral arms die out quickly. Also, spiral arms appear bluer than bulge or gaps between arms and long-lived yellow and red stars pass through many spiral arms. For the bulge, it is hard to see what inside the bulge is. However, all stars in this bulge and hollow orbit the galactic central in same or different directions. It means that there is a very high gravitational force inside the center. But why the center is so small comparing to the whole structure and so massive? The conclusion is that there is a supermassive black hole, just like that. Talking about the structure of Milky Way, it comes to the formation of stars in the disk. In the following section, I would like to present it in my way. First, there are a few atomic hydrogen clouds in the galaxy due to the Big Bang, which contain a very high temperature. It will condense into denser clouds and form a molecular cloud by its gravitational force when it cools down. In this process, other molecules such as CO and OH will be formed. Then, stars formation started by gravitational force. After that, stellar burning occurs and emit light and heat. Also, it will produce healthy elements in the process. When the stars burn up, it will die and supernova occurs, and it will cause stellar winds to blow out the elements through the explosion. Finally, hot bubbles emit to form superbubbles when shock waves from numerous supernovas merge. Hot ionized gas rise up above the disk, and the materials cools down and rain back down to the disk, and it will become atomic hydrogen clouds again. And this is known as a star-gas-star cycle. It is quite interesting that Our Milky Way is in a group called local group, which is a big group of surface galaxies, since the galaxies will absorb each other. After 4.5 million years, our galaxy Milky Way may collide and merge with Andromeda galaxy, which is one of the largest galaxies in the local group. The following is a video about the process. Last but not least, the Milky Way has more than 200 billion stars and around 100 billion to 200 billion planets in size. More than 1 million of planets is very similar to our Earth. It is so exciting that the probability of discovering aliens in other planets is highly increased, which means that we may probably meet aliens in the future.